Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix sorry we're not unable to handle your request at this time error 1.500.7. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and then you just need to write view network connections and then find your internet connection. If you're using Ethernet, should be something like this. If you're using Wi-Fi, it should be like this. Then what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to properties, look for Internet Protocol version 4. And then on use the following DNS server addresses, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, apply the changes, press OK. Then you need to press disable this network device and leave it disabled from 15 to 20 seconds. And after that, re-enable, launch the game, and your problem should be solved. Next step, you need to go to date and time settings. On date and time settings, make sure set time automatically is enabled, and then also scroll down and make sure press sync now button. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then if you're getting everything good, you should be able to play the game. And if it's not working, I will show what you need to do next. Open a browser, go to rockstargames.com, press on this profile icon here, and then you need to sign in to your account. Once you sign in, press on profile again, go to accounts, settings, and wait for a couple of seconds. Then you need to go to a linked accounts and then unlink your account if you have some accounts linked, and link it again, and it should work for you. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.